Hi friends, today in math we're going to be doing two different things. Number one, we're going to be starting with a number talk activity to get your mind thinking in terms of addition and subtraction. You will have to think about what strategy works best for you to figure out what's under my cup. The second part will be you finishing your last fluency check number 6, to see how quickly you can solve addition and subtraction problems. So let's start by looking up here. It says, how many under the cup? Well, the cup altogether, there should be 5 total. But if 3 are laying next to the cup, how many do you think are under the cup? Remember, there's a total of 5 altogether. Oh, if you said 2. Very well. 2 plus 3 equals 5, and 5 minus 3 equals 2. Let's try this one. How many would be under my cup if there were only 1 sitting next to it? If you said 4, great job. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 take away 1 equals 4. Let's move up to a few more pieces of candy. Now I have 10 pieces of candy total. But if there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 laying next to it, how many are under this cup? If you guess 4 pieces of candy, you are correct. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now how many are next to my cup? Oh, now we only have 2 pieces next to the cup. How many are hiding underneath this cup? Boy, you're fast with your answers. 8 is absolutely right. 2 plus 8 equals 10. That's one strategy of finding out how many would be underneath the cup. Well, now we're getting even to larger numbers. 15 pieces total. 15, but now I have stars. So if I have 15 stars, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 laying on the table, how many are underneath my cup? Think about everything you know about the number 15. There's 5 here. How many were under my cup? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because friends, you know that 10 plus 5 equals 15. Uh-oh, now there's 17. We have 17 hearts total. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 laying on the table, how many are underneath this pink cup? This one might take a little bit more thinking. Here we have 11 hearts, but there's 17 total. So how many are underneath? Did you guess? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 were underneath? If you did, great job. 6 plus 11 equals 17. But you could also do subtraction by 17, take away the 6 that were under the cup, and that leaves you with the 11 that were laying on the table. You could also do 17 hearts total, take away the 11 that were on the table, and that leaves you with the number of hearts that were underneath the cup. So lots of different strategies to figure out the correct answer. Well, friends, here it is, page 379, 380 from your workbook, your last fluency check. You will see that the first side is all addition problems, but when you turn it over, the back side is all subtraction problems. Friends, there's not very many problems on each page, and you are great mathematicians. So I'd like you to try to do this as quick as you can, but not so fast that you may get some wrong. But see if you can stay focused and really be fluent with them, where you can look at the problem and you know the answer. Maybe have somebody try to time you and see how long it takes you to solve the addition and subtraction problems. So you can go ahead and get started, and then have somebody older in your house check your work when you're done. Good luck, mathematicians.